Hi, I'm Julia Kennedy and I'm President of Canadian Business College. Join us in conversations to understand how we can help you find a new career and success in your life.
I'm Alan Dale from Gale Force Winds, and it is a great pleasure to be in conversation with people here in Mississauga, Ontario at the Canadian Business College. People who are in career transitions, people whose lives have been changed, and people who have been changing lives along the way. Why don't you introduce yourself and tell us a little bit about what you do?
Okay, my name is Emuobo, and I'm a recent graduate of business management from the Canadian Business College. And presently, we are working on a digital marketing firm which we just established, and it's been thriving. We are hopeful that we're positive that we're going to still get more opportunities.
Wow, and tell me about your journey before you came to CBC. What were you doing? What were you doing?
Okay, way back in my country, Nigeria, me and my wife, we own a real estate firm. So basically, we're into real estate in Nigeria, and well, my background, academic background, I have a BSc in quantity surveying, and then I also have a master's in managerial psychology way back home. And then so here in Canada, I have a diploma in business management from Canadian Business College. And for me, I would say my experience here in Canadian Business College was really good because I had opportunity of working on hands-on projects. Because my instructor, Camille Jarrett, she was so good to us, and she always used to tell us that whatever I'm teaching you here is not for the grades, it's to survive in the business world. So you must pay attention, and I'm not saying you shouldn't score good grades, but you must also understand that the goal of Canadian Business School is to prepare you for the business world out there. So when she gives us assignments, when she gives us projects, when she gives us instructions, she ensures that it's practical. So you already feel like you're already running a business of your own, and you're exposed to the right tools and the right equipment to actually succeed. So for me, I think it was a leap for my career, and it gave me that interest to want to practice business here in Canada, even if I'm not used to the business environment here, but at least it was a stepping stone, and I believe that with the trainings I got here, I think I'm very positive that I could make a difference.
It's a great way to describe it. I mean, upskilling for this particular market, and a style of learning that's really focused towards exactly what's needed at the right time, respecting your time. You don't need to be bogged down with other things that you need to learn. You need to learn certain skills right now to get into the market, and your instructor was able to do that.
Yeah, sure. She was able to do that. And one particular thing I think I love about CBC is the flexibility. You know, you're allowed to be yourself while you grow. It's not a rigid system, right? For instance, we have like the 9 to 1 o'clock class in the morning if you choose the morning session. However, some other persons, they prefer evening session 6 to 11. So it gives you enough time to pursue your dreams while you upskill your career. And I will always say, for you to succeed in life, you need to have that test, that hunger to grow. In terms of knowledge, you have to be in a conducive environment that allows you to grow knowledge-wise, skill-wise, ability-wise, and which I believe CBC actually creates. But I don't know why so many people are not aware of this college. I think this college is supposed to be out there because they're doing a great work.
Yeah, they are doing great work, right? And I think it's because they know the importance of being very focused and helping you get to where you need to get to. And they do that, I think, you know, by listening to industry, listening to people out there saying, this is what we need in a graduate. And they're able to create a program so that kind of you can walk in there, get what you need, and get going. It must feel good to have that under your belt now.
Of course, it does feel good.
Yeah. What does CBC mean to you?
What does it mean to me?
Yeah, like what does it mean to be involved with CBC?
Well, for me, I think because I'm also involved in some charity work, so I feel like CBC is giving back to the society, right? Because they take away all the barriers, like you said earlier on, that disenables you from practicing, from going back to school. For instance, they help you, they provide funding options for you, right? So I think CBC is home to me because at the end of the day, I feel very, very satisfied and fulfilled embarking on this career journey with CBC. So I would encourage anyone to just give it a try. I don't think there's anyone who's going to regret passing through CBC because you have everything you need, actually. You have everything you need. So for me, that's my personal opinion.
Powerful words, CBC means home to you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, my pleasure.
Thank you for watching. For more information, join us at www.canadianbusinesscollege.com. Thank you.